They can kick my ass. Oh, go ahead. Take your time. Because I'm real indigent. You are not. Kaya mo proceed ko karon adlaw. I know nga asa ko mo I know nga where I am go to report somebody. Kay unfairness sa uban. Unfair kaayo sa uban. And also, I show you because I'm ready in November because my PWD what you call that, my PWD in every 3 months, this November my expire date, and I'm ready to renew. Oh, renew na siya. Oh, renew. Application form. Renew na siya. Mag-renew na ko. November pa. Ready na ko. Ihatag ra ni siya. Okay na. To, kag wala ko yung mga papers. I have my papers